Okay, hey guys, SuperDumbMan24 here doing another side-by-side. I started it at the same time. Hopefully you guys can open two different browsers and you can watch both. One's going to be a laptop view, this is the view you're going to get, and this is the iPod view. So this is going to be the mobile one. We are going to be vacuuming the basement with the Riccar, and we are not going to move the furniture today since I did it last week, so here we go. I gotta make this quick because my mom needs the vacuum upstairs, so here we go. I need to clean in here. That one. I did move the end table because stuff does get underneath it, and I do like to make sure I can get it, but that's all I moved, so I just move it back when I'm done. That made a weird sound. Sounds like something's loose in the Riccar. Wow, that picks up tissue paper better than the Bissell. Oh well. Well then again, that time for some reason, if you hit something with the Bissell, you hit it. Hang on. This stupid bar chair. I'm gonna smash it one day. Got some dirty stuff headed upstairs. It's nice not to have to lug the Bissell up and down the stairs. Just keep it up in my room. Just use this one. It's easier to sleep. We just leave it down here and we leave the Bissell upstairs, so yeah. We're thinking about putting like a little Eureka, one of the Eurekas up on the main level, just to have that as a quick little vacuum for spills and stuff, and then use this one, because we only vacuum once a week, so. back. If you're wondering why I'm kicking the card so much, it's because I'm using this hand with the iPod, and it's hard to do both because I'll drop the iPod a lot. So, I believe that's everything. I'm just going to do here again, make sure I didn't forget anything. Yeah, I just heard something get hit by the brush roll. Getting Instagram notification. Another one. And yep, I think we're good. Just more information. And this should conclude our vacuuming video for the basement. I'm watching Cartoon Planet. So, let's yeah, I hate it when it does that. Let's see how the bag's doing. It's getting there. It's most of the crap's just all down here, so I think we can get another week out of it. Change it at the beginning of April. So, yeah, notice how we're perfectly aligned. So, this will conclude our vacuuming video. Time to go get the cordless shark vacuum for the steps. Thanks for watching. Super Thick Man 24 out.